Welcome to our channel, where we delve into real-life stories that touch our lives. Today, we're discussing a tragic incident involving a food allergy that led to an unexpected loss. In Llangollen, a town in Denbighshire, a construction engineer, Robin Wynne Williams, aged 45, faced a severe reaction to an unknown food allergy, leading to his untimely death. This incident occurred after a celebration at a pub marking the completion of repairs on the Menai Suspension Bridge in Anglesey. Mr. Williams and his colleagues enjoyed a buffet of pizza and chips. Later that night, he experienced a rash on his legs and tingling lips, symptoms he had encountered before after consuming various foods. Despite these signs, the exact cause of the allergic reaction remained a mystery. Dr. Huyam Abul Salam, conducting the postmortem, confirmed the cause of death as anaphylactic shock due to a food allergy. However, the specific allergen could not be identified. This uncertainty highlights the complexities and dangers of food allergies. In a previous incident in 2018, Mr. Williams had a reaction to jalapeno peppers. Despite this, the inquest heard that chili, a regular part of his diet, was never identified as a harmful allergen for him. The senior coroner, Kate Robertson, described the circumstances as incredibly unusual. The inquest concluded that it was more likely than not that anaphylactic shock from an unidentified food caused his death. Ms. Robertson also raised concerns about allergy management facilities in North Wales, planning to inquire with local health authorities. This case underscores the importance of effective allergy management and awareness. The story of Robin Wynne Williams is a heartbreaking reminder of the unpredictable nature of food allergies. It's crucial to understand and manage these allergies to prevent such tragic incidents. Thank you for watching. Please share your thoughts in the comments and stay tuned for more insightful stories.